That's the secret to making the best pudding recipe. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and stir until it begins to melt. As soon as it melts, add half a cup of water. The cup I'm using has 200 ml. When the caramel begins to thicken, you can already remove from the heat and pass everything to a shape. Spread the caramel very well all over the shape. And book next door. In a blender, add 3 eggs, 500 ml of milk, 395 grams of condensed milk, and now just cap and leave beating very well. After heating, just turn off and move everything into a shape with the caramel. Here I will use sweet milk, and the amount is to taste. The sweet milk will make all the difference in our recipe. After adding the sweet milk, just wrap the top of the shape with foil and take it to a pressure cooker. If you prefer, you can do it in a water bath or even in the oven. I prefer the pressure cooker because it's a much faster and easier process. Just cover and leave at the pressure for 10 minutes. Remember, that's very important to let the pressure come out of the pan alone. To find out if the pudding is at the right point, just stick a knife and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Now it's just unmolding and turning into a plate. Look how beautiful this pudding is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. If there is any milk left in the form of the pudding, just mix it with the caramel and throw it all over. This is going to give you a pudding a special touch. I hope you enjoy it and do it at your home, which I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.